Are binoculars allowed on planes? You may probably have a pair of your favorite binoculars and you may want to bring them with you on holiday. The real question could be, are binoculars allowed on planes? Of course, binoculars are allowed on airplanes as long as they are in your checked luggage and are following the flight guidelines. However, when it comes to taking a pair of binoculars on board, there are a few things that you should take into consideration. 3 reasons why it is not advisable to bring a binocular with you on a plane. First, there are reports that many countries are experiencing thefts from checked luggage. Aside from binoculars, these items are also easy targets to steal due to their design. Second, the luggage is not handled with proper care when it's thrown from side to side. Also, it is not appropriately handled when carrying binoculars. Third, although they are safe to carry into an airplane, some of the expensive binoculars have been filled with dry nitrogen gas or elements. If your binoculars are not of good quality, there is a slight chance that they might explode or leak nitrogen gas. Things to consider so binoculars safe as you travel. Having binoculars in the cabin is very important to ensure that the safety of your items is protected. This item is also used to keep the binoculars safe while they are being handled. As for taking binocular on airplanes, since binoculars and spotting scopes are very useful tools, it is essential to place them in their carry-on luggage. If your item is truly expensive, then you have to make sure that they are insured for any possible worst-case scenarios. So, once again, there are no actual restrictions when it comes to carrying a pair of binoculars in any aircraft. However, if you will follow the regulations of the airplane protocol, then they might be able to sustain the safeties of your binocular. Alternatively, you can ask the operator how or where is the best place to put your binoculars. Can I put binoculars in hand luggage? Although binoculars are allowed to carry on your hand carry bags, some people might find it awkward to do so due to the way it looks. Also, it's not ideal for bringing along with you. If you are still wondering if binoculars are allowed on planes, then you can ask your airline about that to make sure. Besides, it would be best if you assured that your binos are in their proper place when you check in or check out. Also, make sure that they are always organized so they can be carried safely.